the forward figure 8 flourish. In order to do this flourish, we need to imagine drawing the figure of 8 on its side. So we're going to start where we're at, holding on to the two sticks with the finger and thumb grip, and we're going to go inside, turn, outside, turn, inside, turn, outside, turn. You can see the figure of 8 there being drawn on its side. Now we're going to try that with both sticks. 1, 2. So inside, turn, outside, turn, inside, turn, outside, turn. Now, we're going to try this again, but this time we're going to release the sticks. We're going to keep our wrists doing that in, out movement, but we're going to let the sticks go. And the sticks will form that flourish shape themselves if you keep doing that wrist movement. Remember, the arms themselves stay steady for this, and it's just the wrists that move. So after 2. 1, 2. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, and catch. We're going to try that once more, but we'll do it a bit quicker this time. 1, 2. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, catch. Now we're going to try the forward figure 8 movement, and we're going to let the sticks go, but move our wrists in that in, out motion. After 2, we're going to try and do 8 forward figure 8s together. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and catch. The sticks are caught the exact same way as you catch a single, in between the finger and the thumb.